The brooding medieval towers gave it this power and force. It gave it a statement that the riverfront was where the power was. The words of John Gomez, a founder of the Jersey City Landmarks Conservancy, regarding the 1905 Butler Brothers Warehouse on Warren Street in Jersey City. The Butler Warehouse was one of many warehouses and factories located adjacent to and served by a vast area of rail yards covering the New Jersey waterfront of the Hudson River right across from New York City during the 1800s and early to mid-1900s. And interspersed with the freight yards were many passenger rail terminals, one of which was Jersey City, Pennsylvania Station, located immediately to the left of this photograph. Here's a view of Jersey City Penn Station. Here's its passenger waiting room. And with this, I think that we can begin to see that Mr. Gomez was quite right. The riverfront is indeed where the power was. In the last 10 years, the Butler Warehouse has been converted into apartments called the Madeira Lofts. Another view of the Butler Warehouse. The days of the freight yards and most of the passenger terminals are long gone, having given way to massive residential projects and office towers. Here, by the way, is another Butler Brothers Warehouse located in Minneapolis, and like the Jersey City Butler Warehouse, it too is designed in the medieval style. The Butler Warehouse today is a repurposed industrial survivor in a post-industrial setting. From the adjacent lot just to the south of the Butler Warehouse will soon rise a 35-story apartment tower. Its address will be 107 Morgan Street. And here we have a ground level view of that new project, to include a number of residences meant for artists. And here is how a mid-block portion of that new project will appear. What do you think of this? Please let me know in the comments. If you found value in this video, please help to strengthen this channel by subscribing, liking, and I greatly look forward to seeing you next time on Randolph's Rants.